Chemical composition. Each material page contains an official alphanumeric or numeric designation and important details about the standard itself. Action buttons to the right offer functionality such as adding to material lists in your material console, adding to reports, exporting to CAX, and bookmarking. 4 tabs highlight the most important properties of the material. They can be collapsed, and your preference will be remembered. Scrolling down, you'll see a list of conditions for which Total Materia has data. Below the data on every page are references to the sources of that data. The chemical composition data is listed as ranges or limits. Condition-specific notes are provided, along with the CAS numbers, which are linked to the substance-level information inside the compliance module. By simply changing the condition, the relevant composition data, standard information, and any relevant comments will also change accordingly.